I am Karan Eknath Revaskar, student of the Bharati Vidyapith Institute of Technology in Navi Mumbai, currently studying in third year from electrical department. I have built one device which will help the farmers to save water, energy and also the manpower. Before explaining the working of my project, I would like to explain you the structure model I have built. These are the farms which I have built here. The 6 farms are here, and in that farms there is an individual water tank which will provide them the water. To fill that water in the tank, there is one borewell, as you can see here. The borewell is a common borewell for all the 6 farms. They have contributed for that borewell and built in one farm that borewell, because in every farm building borewell or digging borewell is not possible. So they have contributed and built only the one borewell. From this borewell, they will pump the water and fill the individual tank. What happens when they are pumping the water in their individual tanks? The water get wasted. How? I will show you. This is the farmer who will switch on the pump from his borewell, and the water will go in the tank through the pipeline. And when water get filled in the tank, this farmer will announce him turn off the switch of the pump. For example, the pump in the borewell is of 1 HP and the tank which I have built is of 1200 liters. To fill that tank, the pump requires 15 minutes. But what happens? At every time he has some work in his farm. What he will think? I will complete my works in 10 minutes and I will come back and announce his name. But when he is working in the farm, he forgot to announce his name. When water get overflow, he will announce him to turn off the switch. For example, he has to switch off the pump in 15 minutes, but by delay, he has switched off the pump in 18 minutes, means 3 minutes delay. In 3 minutes, the pump will pump the water 240 liters, means 240 liters water has get wasted for one day. In 30 days, 7,200 liters water get wasted. Whole year, 87,600 liters of water get wasted. Same for energy. When pump is getting extra working, means working for extra 3 minutes, he is using the energy. For working for 1 minute, the pump has worked for 1 minute, he will cost 0.12 unit. And for 3 minutes, he will cost 0.037 unit. For month, 1.11 unit. And for whole year, 13.67 unit getting wasted. By using this device, we have to put this device at the place of switch, receiver unit. And in the tank, I have put 2 sensing wires. This yellow wire at the bottom and black wire at the level which we have to fill the tank. And that is the transmitter unit, as you are seeing. So what they have to do, just switch on the main switch. You can see 2 lights are indicating. After switching that, they have to just on the transmitter unit. You can see this red button. First main switch, then this red switch. Transmitter get on, and now they have to just switch on this pump switch. When the switch get on, you can see the water is getting filled in the tank. You can see when water will reach to this level, the transmitter will give data to this receiver to switch off the pump. Till the water is filling in our tank, I will explain you regarding my transmitter. This transmitter does not require any external energy. He produces his own energy by this solar plate. This solar plate is of 9 volt. Solar plate will provide energy to the battery. Battery is also of 9 volt. And this device is fully individual. It does not depend on any other supply. You can see no any wire is connected except this sensing wire. You can see this sensing wire is going to the tank, water tank. Now we will see how the water is filling in it. You can see. I will just fast forward this process. Water will touch to this sensing wire. The buzzer will buzz and the water pump will get turned off. You will see the audio of buzzer. as you can see, the water has to this sensing level and the water pump get turned off. And you can see here, the water pump switch is still on and buzzer get buzzing and the red indicator has indicate. Means the farmer in the field where he can hear the audio, he will come and turn off the water pump switch and the main switch. If the tank is fully loaded with water and still he will on the switch, the buzzer will get on. Means he will indicate the water is filled in the tank. And same this process we can utilize in our hometowns, in our home buildings. You can see we can utilize for filling the tank in our rooftop, as you can see. This is beneficial for farmers as well as the citizens who are living in villages also and the cities also. The range of this device is 100 to 150 meters. Means you can place the receiver and the transmitter from 100 to 150 meters. Through there, they can transmit and receive the data. And no additional circuit is required from them to build in our real farms. This receiver can handle 5 HP of motor without any changes or any rebuilding circuit. Same for the transmitter. No any construction or circuit designing is required for that circuit. They can handle the 5 HP of motor, single phase 5 HP motor.